¡No! ¡My taco fell! ¡Puta madre! Elena, how I run los frijoles de olla, and they make them like I am doing it. Hi, this is Claudia. Welcome back to my channel. We have Bud Jones here, fish from Bud Jones. Okay, this one is probably nowhere. It's just the San Antonio thing. I think this is the only location they have that I know of. But they've been around for so many years. They're known for their Texas size chicken fried steak. And my son ordered that, so I'll insert a picture. If not, like somewhere around here in the beginning or something. But they have the all you can eat fish. But right now, since everything's going on, you know, they had like, you know, like 5-piece, 6-piece, whatever, you know, like they had different things. I have some coleslaw. I have some tartar sauce here. I have some onion rings here, fries, the fish, and then I have, of course, my ketchup, and then I have some ranch for the onion rings. Right there. So this is what Claire will, I'm going to put this right here because it's my fries. What Claire will call her fish and chips. So, oh, and I got myself some ice water here. But anyway, let's get to it. This is really good. We've been, I mean, ever back since, gosh, when I was even younger. I mean, I remember I was probably in, I don't know, middle school or something, or maybe high school. And my brother used to, my twin brothers used to work there. So it's been around for a long time. Probably over 40 years, maybe. Yeah, of course, over 40 years probably, so. But anyway, let's begin. Let me show you the fish. Provecho. Those of y'all there in San Antonio, wow, this is good. I'm sure y'all know about Bud Jones. It's located in the south side of San Antonio, off of Southwest Military Drive. Commercial. Big onion ring, look at that. I don't know how crispy it's gonna be because I mean it's not really close to my house, so. The chicken fried steak is probably about that big, a little bit more than half, something like that. It covers up their plate that they give it to you in, almost, and it comes with two sides. They'll put the mash on there, like right in the corner, but then the other one they give it in the plate. The other side is too big. But what's good about them is that they also have the ladies portion. It's like half the size. But even I thought sometimes the lady portion is big. And they also have their enchiladas are like, they have the big ones too. They have big enchiladas, and then they have all you can eat they have all you can eat fish and all you can eat spaghetti. This is just so good. And Charles was like, wow. And of course I got Whataburger ketchup. I want to apologize on my Burger King video. At the end, I didn't notice it, and I rarely edit, so I said, at the end I said, this is Whataburger, I want like that, and it was Burger King. And my niece was the one that commented. She texted me and said, "Yeah, you said Whataburger, and it was Burger King." Sorry. Whataburger be on my mind 24/7. I'm just playing. On the fish, this fish, that's all you can eat there. And you just, if you have a big appetite, just sit there and order fish, and they'll be bringing you fish. I bring you like 3 to start with, I think, 3 or 4. This place has always been my brother Frank's favorite place for the longest time. I don't know now, but it used to be. My brother Pancho. So San Antonio already got we're on lockdown. So I think starting Monday, you have to have a letter from your job. I think. I'm not sure. I read this stuff on Facebook, so on that part, I don't know. I know we are on lockdown because I saw that on the news. But I have to say, like, you're going to work, and it has to be like the job has to be like an essential job. Because I think if it's non-essential, then they're not supposed to be open or something like that. Oh. I just, I kind of hope trying to bike, but I told you I'm on the video. I'm used to it, but I would at least go to the store. Go here, go there. And then reality hit me even more, sunk in even more. When I don't know if it was Mandy that shared it on Facebook. It said, put this to your head, parents. If one of your kids gets sick, they come and take the kid to take it to the hospital. And we're not allowed to be there. My kids are underage. But I guess they're just trying to stop it from spreading, but I think I'd go crazy. Yeah, I'm sorry, I always salt everything. The taste of this fish is so smooth. There's some fishes that you could like sabe, sabe pescado, of course, but like it's too strong, the fishy taste. This one is just so freaking smooth. Delicious. My San Antonio people, try it if you haven't. I've also tasted their chili cheese fries. They're good too. Put a bit of ketchup on it. Try to be shaking like a mother. Yum. Because since the ketchup's a little spicy, I hit the spot. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna check my time real quick. My time is in the bottom and it goes right here and you can't really see it. Let me know what y'all are doing to pass your time. My stores are still that. And as much as they tell the public, you know, stores, grocery stores are not going to close. Y'all can chill. In other words, they don't say it, but they're just trying to say, you know, chill. No one is chilling. There was a Facebook post somebody shared, and it said it was a girl. She was talking bad about senior citizens, you know, the older people, saying why do they get privilege for, you know, an hour ahead of time and stuff like this and all that stuff, and ugly, you know, just talking ugly. And I'm like, and people are telling her like, you know, because, you know, they can't walk as fast as us, or, you know, vice versa, whatever. And she just kept being ugly. Really ugly. Like, but I don't say nothing and stuff like that. Like, I don't go on there and talk anything, because I'm like, there's a God. Karma's a bee. And it's just ignorant people. The way I see it. Dira ordered the buffalo sandwich. It's really good too. This fish is so big, I'm getting full. Their tartar sauce is so freaking smooth. Like, sometimes some tartar sauce are too tangy, you're like, or too watery or whatever. It's smooth. This is it. I can't eat this anymore. It's too much. If you like what you see, please share my videos, comment, like, and subscribe. Please turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video or I go live. This was Bud Jones. I'll insert their picture, whatever, you know, somewhere in the beginning or somewhere. Until next time, this is Clara C. I love you all. Bye.